Continuing my line of work at the crossroads of textile production and computer science, I seek to create a digital fabric capable of generating a weft in perpetual development. An aguayo is a rectangular carrying cloth traditionally used by communities in the Andes region of Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru. In this case is also a digital artwork in constant creation. An electronic fabric where technique and aesthetics are combined to communicate a series of meanings referring to a particular vision of the world and its technology. In La Respuesta de los Dioses, I built a digital tapestry that visually resembles the writing system of an undetermined intelligent civilization. In Tejedora, that same concept is presented as a digital loom. In Aguayo, a series of LED clothes welded by hand are unfolded and hung at the center of the room. These pieces are inspired in the shape, color, and patterns of the traditional aguayos, weaved by the Aymara, an indigenous people based in the Andes and Altiplano regions in the north of Argentina. Computer science has a lot in common with textile development. Some examples include the handmade ferrite memories used in the navigation computer of the Apollo spacecraft or the Jacquard's loom that used punched wooden cards to keep and reproduce designs automatically on the weft. Both devices, the loom and the computer, allow different cultures to visually express concepts, mythologies, and beliefs. Technology is then used to produce and reproduce the culture of a civilization. It would seem that behind these inventions from distant times lies an ancient technology that might be concealed and that belongs to the human nature. With this piece, I seek to introduce this hypothesis in the search for results that account for this original technology. The warp and weft are handwoven using LEDs and copper wire. A microcontroller runs a minimal algorithm capable of producing patterns. What's fascinating is that the complexity in the patterns, which is illustrated by light dots that turn on and off in a digital canvas, actually comes from a very simple, brief, and concise formula. Aguayo attempts to unfold, through a digital visual fabric, beauty itself contained in a computer program.